Hello everyone, welcome to the GTHS campus tour. My name is Carlos Laguini.
And my name is Rizanady Solano, and we bring to you a great show tonight. For tonight's episode, it will consist of 4 segments.
And in this show, we will be watching our first segment, which we will sample our local cuisine at Hibernian Diner in Rockville, New Jersey. And then we will solve a long-standing mystery at the high school.
We will also bring to you some nice tips and advices on saving your money. Even though money, doesn't buy you happiness, it does pay your bills and get you nice stuff. And then after that, we will end with a dramatic musical battle.
And so before we start, we want you to follow us on Instagram at GTHS Campus Tour. And after you do that, just sit back and relax, watch our show, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.
Hey everyone, my name is Sarah Thomas. Welcome to Extra Eats, where we sample some of the best meals in town. Today I am checking out the Hibernia Diner in Rockaway, New Jersey. Before we go in, we have to have our masks on.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, thank you. You can follow me this way. You're okay? Yes, perfect. Thank you. You're welcome. Can I get your name and drink? I'll have a water, please. Water? Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Ready to order?
Yes, I am.
Alright, what can I get for you? I'm going to have the shrimp chorizo and pork belly cavatappi, please. Alrighty, I'll bring that right after you. Thank you. Thank you. Now we are about to eat the shrimp chorizo and pork belly cavatappi. Thank you. Looks amazing.
Yeah,
Thank
you're
you.
welcome.
Excellent. 10 out of 10. With that being said, I would like to thank Mr. Matthews and everyone here at the Hibernia Diner for letting us come and try their food. I highly advise everyone to come to the Hibernia Diner. You will not regret it.
And we are back. That shrimp chorizo pork belly cavatappi looked delicious. Also, I will definitely have to make sure that I will go head to Hibernia Diner immediately after today's episode.
Why did we put that first? That looked really good.
It did, right? We're definitely going to have to go grab it soon. Once we're done, get on our whip and vroom vroom over there. Anyways, let's move on to our second segment, which we will solve a long-standing mystery.
Welcome to Campus Unsolved. I'm your host, Jason Horek. On today's episode, we'll be uncovering the mystery of the pool on the roof. This mystery has plagued JTHS since the opening in 1964. We decided to talk to some noteworthy individuals who may have more knowledge about the pool on the roof. So Cameron, tell us a bit about yourself.
All I can say first is thank you, man, for having me on the show. It's awesome. It's great. Thanks a lot. I'm a senior here, and bro, I rock out these halls so hard, man. Everyone loves it. I'm great, man.
So what can you tell us about the pool on the roof?
Well, I haven't seen it myself. I've been up there a couple times, never saw it. But I have heard that it is open before noon.
Fascinating. To investigate this mystery further, we decided to talk with another notable individual at the school who may know a little bit more about the pool on the roof. So Bobby, tell us about yourself.
Well, thank you for having me. I embarked on a journey to Jefferson 5 years ago. I came from the Hudson County, Hudson River, and I was a dolphin. I was swimming. I like swimming.
Interesting. And what do you know about the pool on the roof?
Oh, the pool. Well, the pool is fun. It's members only. I like the water. But yeah.
Can you tell us a little more?
Well, it's members only, passcode only, but I don't know if I can tell you.
Can you tell us the passcode?
Maybe numbers. That was the passcode.
Fascinating. To finish this mystery, we're here on top of the roof of JTHS. It is before noon. I will now shout the passcode. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, why isn't it working?
Yo, man, I think that pool on the roof is just something seniors say to the freshmen.
What?
Yeah, man, it'll make sense to put a pool on the roof.
Well, why can't you tell me that earlier? What am I supposed to do now?
I don't know, man. I'm not the.
Well, that's all the time we have here on campus Unsolved. Is there a pool on the roof? Maybe? I don't know. We will see you next time. I can't do this. I hate these people. I'm going to my trip.
Well, that didn't go well as planned.
Well, who would really think that a pool in a roof was actually real?
Yeah, I went to a party in New York. I had my bathing suit on and my rubber ducky with my towel. I went up.
Did you have a mankini on?
Yeah, and then I went. Yeah, there was no pool in the room. I got played.
What happened? Did you see a pool?
Nah, it was just an illusion.
Wow. Well, someone needs that money to hit.
Anyways, now we go on to our next segment with a very special message.
Welcome to my home. My name is Michaellford. Take a guess on how much this property is worth. Take your time. Well, this is worth $750,000. And you may ask me, what's the key to getting here? And the answer is don't waste your money on stupid things. The problem with people is that they waste their money on things that they then forget about. For example, take a look at this individual. He wastes his money on things that are unnecessary. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have to go to my office.
I just made a new song, man. It's gonna be another hit.
Oh, for real?
This one's gonna break the internet, man.
Oh, yeah.
Hello. Money, cash, money, cash, money, cash, money, cash.
But little counterfeit American currency had a problem. He was never satisfied, even when he was on the $100 bill. Never satisfied. So he had to go and make a second hit.
Me, my hamsters, we all wear the same clothes. I kiss my mommy, then I bark her rainbow. I'm going stupid, yeah. Cut it, cut it.
That's a hit. That's about 1 billion streams. I'm crazy!
Me, my hamster, we all wear the same clothes. I kiss my mommy, then I bark for rainbow. I'm going stupid, yeah. Going crazy, yeah. Going stupid, yeah.
Well, here we are outside of my office. I work in an investing firm. Here, I learned how to invest in stocks and save money from a young age. I've made over $250,000, and I don't work for the money, I work for my business ventures. My advice to you is don't waste your money. Don't be like a little counterfeit. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have a business meeting to attend.
Some wise words indeed.
Yeah, I've learned my lesson, not to waste your money. Like that one time I tried buying a collection of Pokemon cards. And when I got it, I opened it. I was like, oh, I'm so happy for this collection. I've been wanting this for my whole lifetime. And when I opened it, there was a little card that says, ha ha ha, you played yourself, LOXD. And,
Oh no, he should have used that money for a therapist instead. Anyways, our final segment of the show will be Battle of the Ages as two drummers face the ultimate standoff.
Oh hey, Matt, you know that guy Billy? You seen a video of him playing the drums?
Man, Billy plays drums better than you.
Oh, is that so?
Mm-hmm.
You really think he plays the drums better than me?
I do. I most certainly do. In fact, I think I play drums better than you, and I challenge you.
To an arm wrestle?
No, you idiot. To a drum duel.
Then I accept the challenge.
Impressive enough, right?
All right. Well,
Okay.
let's see you do better.
Yeah, I will. You will see.
Well, that was pretty good.
Yeah, it was.
You're a very good musician, but no match for me.
Better, but not
okay. All right,
not on par, right?
All right, buddy. All right. Hey man, that was a pretty good drum battle.
Yeah, solid playing to yourself as well. Good job.
Hey, thank you. Oh hey, there's
what's
Jake.
up, Jake?
Yeah, Jake, who do you think's a better drummer?
I didn't really hear anything. I just got home. So.
Wow, I wish you could play as good as Tommy and Mike.
Yeah, I don't think you can play as good as them. You're gonna have to hire them so they can give you a couple of tips and pointers on how to play.
Yeah, the only thing I know is the flute, and it goes like beep boop.
Okay.
Yeah.
Who do you think won, Mr. Linguini?
I don't know, they both played very well.
Yeah, I can't decide either. I guess we're gonna have to let our viewers decide who won.
Yeah. Well, thanks for watching for this edition of JTHS Campus Tour.
Yeah, don't forget to follow us on Instagram at JTHS Campus Tour. Thank you for watching, everyone, and I hope to see you soon.